Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix will limit certain things on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and lastly here you're gonna find your profile page. So right now, I'm going to show you guys how the error looks like. As you can see guys, right here, this is how it will look like. Try again later. We limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram to protect our community. Tell us if you think we made a mistake. So basically guys, you will get this message if you are like spamming comments or spamming messages, for example. So basically guys, if you get this message after doing that, they're just timing you out for example, sending comments. So basically guys, the only way you can fix that is just wait it out. Just wait, for example, for about a day or something. Then try again to, for example, comment on posts and see if you're not timed out. And if you think that they made a mistake, just click on tell us, and then you're gonna be able to contact the support. Tell them that you didn't do anything that is against the Instagram policy, and then the support should answer you. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share if you find this video helpful. And see you guys in the next video.